So hi everyone, today we'll try to understand how you can run a mini version of DALI into Google Colab without paying anything. So this is for free. So there is a new package called as Min-dalle which helps you to use DALI mega version in your Google Colab system, or if you have minimal hardware, even then also mini DALI can work for you. So let's get started. So we'll try to load this in Google Colab and then generate images using it. So this can be a very handy option if you don't have major hardware resources, and hence Min-dalle is a refined version of the DALI Mega version, which is very fast and small in size. So you first need to pip install Min-dalle, as you can see min-dalle. Once done, using the model is very easy. You need to load the model. You need to provide a model root, data type to be used. This can be float 16 also. Device is CUDA, is mega true, is reusable true. Once done, you need to just call this particular function model.generate image, where you are providing your prompt nuclear explosion broccoli. Seed you need to give. Grid size is important because if you give a grid size equals to 1, just one image gets generated. If you give a grid size into 2, two images are getting generated side by side. If you give a grid size of 4, four images are generated in square shape. So basically single image with four images, four sections. So if you just, so depending upon your requirement, you can play around with the grid size, temperature you must be knowing, that can be fluctuated to improve randomization in the image. And once you use it, here you can see you can generate an image like this. This can be saved also, image.save, and very handy to use. The model is very fast compared to DALI 3 mega version, because you won't be able to run such big models for image generation in either Google Colab or even in local system at times. So I think Min-dalle looks to be a decent enough option. The image quality is okayish, if not great, but I think can be a great tool if you just wish to generate some random images and you wish to use it for some of your tasks. I hope this was useful and you try using Min-dalle soon. Thank you so much.